Today we're looking at Paul Karras, a former Iowa State Cyclone hockey goalie turned pro landscaper. He was a beauty on the ice, now he's beautifying turf.
We call that a hat trick, Bill. And Karras' transition from goaltending to tending lawns has also been tricky.
I'll say, and the gloves were off early.
Karras had dreamed of playing in the Garden, and now he designs and works in them.
And he's spending plenty of time in the box, with no penalties.
He'll have to wait a few months before he can use the Zamboni here.
At ISU, he was clipping opponents. Today, he's clipping lawns. This breakaway drive's a real beauty.
And high sticking is often the only way he can make the cut.
Speaking of making the cut, here we see a cutting-edge performance with impressive stick handling ability.
Impressive. It's sheer beauty.